What do we got on this guy? Game Boy printer. Is it 80 for the pair? Taking a lot of stuff off your hands.
Oh, thank you.
What's up, guys? It's been a long time since I uploaded a garage sale video, but you know, I got to thinking like how I do anything is how I do everything. I've heard that quote many times. This video is from March 7th to March 9th. So it's like the second weekend of garage sale season for us here in Texas. So yeah, a bunch of cool stuff. I almost 10x my money. You'll see in the video, I have a little ticker for how much I spend and then the estimated value. So keep an eye out for that. But I'm back. Hopefully I can be a little more consistent and hopefully you enjoy this video.
That's up your alley.
The bad
Game Boy printer. $5. Oh, I thought that was Willie Nelson. Blast Toys.
What is this down here?
That's a Elgato green screen.
Oh, really? How much is it? 90?
Yeah.
That's cool. It's a pop-up one.
Yeah, it's not pop-up one.
So you did some streaming and stuff?
Yeah, I used to do streaming and all that.
That's cool.
Look.
Yeah, I had the,
Oh, yeah.
the key light ears and all that, yeah.
Is it 80 for the pair?
For each.
Each, okay. Yeah, I have these same lights at home.
Yeah, I like them.
Okay, so I got... Do you know if this printer works?
I don't know. It's that old Game Boy one, so I'm not for sure. But whenever it did work. So I don't know where.
Okay, so I got 750. Will you take 6?
Yeah, I'll take 6.
Okay, cool.
So what is this? What is it?
That's
I don't know.
Game Boys. Remember those old gray Game Boys and all that? They used to be where you used to print them.
But what would you be printing?
So there used to be the camera that went with it too. So people would take pictures with their camera, and then use that to print out your pictures.
That's cool.
Yeah,
I'm gonna mess with it.
Yeah, it was cool back then. They came out with some cool stuff.
Yeah, I'll take it back.
Man, those are super cool. I don't even know what they are, though.
Those are Bitty Pops.
I know, but what is the theme of them?
So this is Dragon... No,
Ball Z?
it might... Yeah, it's Dragon
Or
Ball
is
Z.
it this thing right here?
How much are these tiny pops?
I'll do like 25 cents each.
Okay. Or... Okay.
Oh, Anchorman.
So there's 13 of them, which would be what, $3? $3.25? Yeah, I give you. Can I give you 3?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll just put them in my bag. Yeah, you know what's crazy?
I love the little.
That's They're Dragon Ball Z, ain't they? The creator just died yesterday.
I know. I couldn't believe it, man. He was a good guy. I like the history of him.
What's that? Oh shit, that's Yu-Gi-Oh. What are these, like playmats?
Yeah, that's where people would play their tournaments and all that.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna grab those. That's cool. My hands
I still
are.
have my Yu-Gi-Oh cards. They were fun back
You know, I found all mine. They
Did you
don't.
find them?
Yeah,
Oh,
they
yeah,
just
they're
don't
good.
hold the same value that they used to. Or like Pokemon, it's not even close.
ridiculous right now.
Yeah. Yeah. Did you see the Asher pulled the Charizard out of that set?
Yeah.
That's wild. On Christmas.
And then he pulls the auto.
Thank you. I appreciate it. You too. Let's see if he can get that in there. That'd be kind of impressive.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Underneath that one?
Oh, so. Oh, okay. I just I don't like big stuff. I don't have the room for big stuff. I can just walk in?
Yeah.
Okay. There's some other stuff there too. Oh wow, it's huge. Did not expect that.
Super open.
Yeah, cool. Hey, that's a cool picture.
I'm a neighbor. I'm just here to help.
Bro, that's sick right there.
That is cool.
Those are really cool. Ooh, a little golf one.
How much are y'all's pictures? I'm a huge Packers fan.
There's your,
Oh, okay. 5?
if you see the blue tape up here.
Wood frame. Okay, 5. Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. That's my team. And in here as well. What are these? Dude, 10 for $1? Hell yeah.
That's Ant. Oh, this.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. Do they expire? You would think?
I would think, yeah, like poisons and stuff.
It doesn't say.
Be wrong.
14, 15, 16. I'm just gonna say $3.
What are you getting that for? Just for around your house?
No.
That stuff sells?
Yeah, bruh.
You can sell poisons on.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
I didn't know that.
Here, just lean this. Dude, there's something else. Packers right here. Yeah, that's crazy. Please don't fall. Oh, I lied. It's Joe Montana, though.
Oh, Notre Dame, dude. That is sick.
That's cool. I really did think it.
You're not getting that?
I am. I'm getting them baits, too.
That's a college one, dude.
That's cool. I'm getting this.
Hey, there's you.
Yeah, I'm getting these baits in that picture so far, in that thing so far. 47 for a lot of 7.
Good lord. That's what they sold for?
Yeah, that was a sold comp.
Wow.
Oh, and solar panels outside.
What are these? What we got here? $12.50. Oh hell no, they're tripping. Surely these are not $12.50 each, right? Controls the fans and lights. This is what I wanted. I wanted a big haul. A vintage moisture analyzer. There's some more lights. Vanity lights. I wonder how much these lights are. Oh my goodness, dude.
I don't understand.
Taking a lot of stuff off your hands.
Oh, thank you. It's greatly appreciated.
Okay, so let's see what I found all these light bulbs. I don't know how much the light bulbs are each.
They're not, they're free.
Oh really? Well, I got a lot of light bulbs. Oh, and I have a little moisture reader.
5, 6, 7. How about $10 for a dog?
Okay. Oh, and then I got a picture, so 15. Cool. Do you have change?
I do.
Perfect. Thank you, ma'am.
5.
Well, I appreciate it.
Oh, I appreciate it more.
What is the Sun Joe?
Fill a bag of clothes, $5.
Fill a bag of clothes for $5?
Yeah. What do we got on this guy?
Now, it comes on, my son says,
Mm-hmm.
but I think it was his HDMI cord or something that,
It's a little loose. Well, if it's a price I can't refuse, I'll buy it. But how much is it?
$5
Okay. Yeah, that'll work.
can fix it.
Hopefully, yeah, that'd be cool to have. Bunch of tripods.
Did we used to play that at Rosemont? NCAA? No.
Yeah, we played 03 though. Yeah, it had like super realistic graphics.
I got an Xbox in here too, but it's the older one.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, the,
Oh yeah, the Slim. How much you got on that one?
you want to give me 10?
Yeah, that'll work.
Get a controller and everything in
Yeah.
there. And a broke bag.
Which
Yeah, that's
one is
fine.
this one?
That's the 360 Slim. So 15. Will you throw these in for me?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
It's cute. Oh.
I wear large, so I consider myself pretty slender. No, I wear 15. Well, I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. But that's what I got. Bro, do you know why this is designed like this?
I do not.
Well, maybe not this one because it's got the hole, but you're supposed to put this in. Like if I wanted to put this in a bottle, you'd put this in the bottle and you pour and it runs down. That's why they're designed like
I
that.
thought it was the handle.
It is, but it has two purposes. Ooh, what's up with this? 85?
Only $250.
Okay, let's look at. Oh, they priced this.
Yes, dude.
There's a speaker in there. It's marked. Well, I guess it'd be 42 today.
Yes, it'd
Is
be,
that like bottom dollar?
it would be $42 today. It's
Yeah,
already
it was at 85. Yeah, so it'd be 42.50.
How about 30?
If you could do 20, I'll take it. If not, completely understand.
No,
But
that's okay. That's okay. This is the end of the day.
I got you.
Hey,
Okay.
Go ahead.
Okay, yeah, I'll grab it then.
They don't really match.
Yeah, I'll go get it.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. So I remember while filming this video that I had some camera issues, like my receiver that connects to my camera, it had messed up. But I did pick up a few things that weren't on camera. I'm not gonna include them. One was like a Beatles book or whatever. It has already sold. I got some silverware. But everything you saw was like good buys. I really don't show the stuff that I buy that I don't list or that I don't sell or that I get rid of quickly, stuff like that. So yeah, you pretty much seen it all, and yeah, really good weekend. Ended up 10xing our money. I spent $64 to make $650. I like to write everything down as I'm editing. That way I kind of know what's going on. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. I'm gonna hold myself accountable. I'm gonna post.